Hi, I'm Robert, and you are watching Backyard Bodyworks. Hey guys, this is Monday, April, let me look at my phone, April the 22nd, it's right after Easter. I've been doing little projects while since this is the first day back to work. I didn't get to work on the car much this weekend, and I've got a lot of welding to do on the bonnet. But I just wanted to show you, I have been doing some metal work, and I've gotten this pretty much back at where it needs to be, and I'm very excited about that. This lines up pretty, fairly well. It's not going to be perfect just because of all the damage that was over here, but I am happy with the way that I've got the lines here. Of course, still need to get do some more work to it, but that's going to be the later day. But what I discovered was I was starting to work on the roof because I want to get the rest of the roof stripped. I noticed there's Bondo in the roof, so I've got to figure out where it is. I just got to get it off. And I tried some of the chemical stripper, and this paint is I think it's an enamel, and it's so old that it doesn't seem to work very well. So I'm just gonna trudge through it and try and get it off as best I can. So it's going to take a couple of days to, because it's 10:30 and I got to get to bed here in about 2 hours. So I've got to. I want to see if I can't get it stripped and see what's underneath here. That's the plan anyway. So thanks for joining in, and we'll go ahead and continue to strip this off and get it cleaned. That wraps it up for today. It's 11:30 and I'm starting to get tired. So we're going to continue working on the top tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, and yesterday, just a quick recap. Yesterday we started stripping the top, but just trying to get all the rest of the paint off the car. At some point we'll take the windshield out and the rear glass out and store those to start getting in it. I also took out the interior, the headliner, and the back cover where the light is, and it's a little rusty up in there, so it'll need to be cleaned until I get off this week of work. The bonnet's kind of on hold because I need several days to take it off, get it taken apart, clean the underside, and start welding the parts up. Everything seems to be going smooth, and we're going to start taking the rest of the interior out and cleaning out the car so that we can work on the inside, because once the bonnet's done, we're going to move to the firewall, start working on the battery box, removing all the electrical wiring and things, just stuff that we can get to. Eventually I'm going to take the engine out, but I need to get my A-frame here from my dad's house in order to do that, so that we can hoist the engine and transmission out. And then this car will be a lot lighter, and I can move it around. Like if I want to work outside when it's nice, I can move it around outside. I'm going to continue working on the top, just a quick little project today to kind of get some stuff done on the car. It is Wednesday afternoon, 3 o'clock, and today we're going to continue working on getting this top cleaned off, and we're going to start taking this bonnet apart and doing the underside so that we can start welding it together. I am hoping to get that done this video. So, until I got some more, I've only got like an hour and a half to work, so I figured, just come out here and just clean. Thanks for coming in for a visit, and stay as long as you like and enjoy the restoration of the car. If you're new, like and subscribe, and you'll get it, and click on the notification bell, and that'll alert you to when we upload a video. This very second is I've got this huge spot right here where she took a cannonball across the side. I'm pretty sure that was a tree limb that did that, and it's pretty deep. I mean, it's I'd say it's probably a good half-inch dent, and it's it's about that big by that big, and then there's these little dents around here. And we're gonna try and get that out. That concludes today. I've gotten that dent out. It's a little high. I might shrink it just a little bit to make it a little bit more flat, but I think that's going to do it. I mean, everything came out. All the dents came out. And it's just got the little dents here and there. And because you saw it, it was big. It was like you could see it all the way around here, and now it's flat. It's starting to look pretty good. I'm really happy. The top is actually pretty smooth. It's not doesn't have any problems with it that like the bonnet did. So we will see you guys tomorrow afternoon, and take care until then. Y'all have a good day. Hello friends, today is Friday. It's been a couple of days since I was out working on the car, officially as far as making videos, but I was out cleaning up the car because looking for little projects to do when it was raining. And this is the full day I've been away from work. And I have found out that somebody has, when I was cleaning out the back of the car here, that this whole entire back piece is been fiberglassed. And, you know, there's rust and stuff down in here that needs to be fixed. So I found that to be very interesting. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started, and you guys follow along for the ride. Hey guys, today's Saturday. Yesterday we got, just to recap, we got this piece in. We got all the holes filled in along here and ground down and welded up. And now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to finish up the cleaning part on the underside, trying to get rid of that rubberized undercoating. Probably I'm gonna try and start welding today. If not today, it'll be next week. I was, as you can see, I'm cleaning the bonnet. Neutralized some, I use muriatic acid, but it's a dilution solution to clean the metal. And as you can tell, I've got a little bit of flash rust. That's usually what happens when you do that. That'll come off when I sand it. But the thing that I was interested in was this right here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. But when I etched the metal, that showed up. It just popped out. And it's a mirror image, and it's a number 753 with a writing above it. I believe it says work or works. And you know, that's hard to tell what it is, but it's a slight. You can see it, you know, right in here. A little, I guess it was a sticker, or you know, I don't know exactly what it was, but it showed up, and I thought it was very interesting. Could be, you know, where it was stamped, where the metal was stamped, you know, when it was originally brought to the factory, or I have no idea. All I know is that, you know, it showed up, and I'm like, wow, that's pretty cool. The metal seems to be cleaning up really well. The rust is neutralizing along this edge here that I was worried about, and I'm still looking for that rust converter. Eastwood Company has it, and I really would like to hit this with that stuff, and you know, just several other, you know, places on the bonnet I want to hit with it, especially up underneath that lip. Just simply because of the fact that I want to turn that rust into some sort of a, you know, what it does, it turns it into a primer, or, you know, paintable primer. But you know, I'm pretty happy with it clean, you know, the way it cleaned up. Unfortunately, I am not going to get to weld today, which puts welding off until Wednesday, you know, when I get off work. So I'll just be doing other little projects throughout the week until Wednesday. I'm very happy with the way things have gone this week. I've gotten all the parts clean. Now I still need to clean up the wheel wells a little bit. The rods still need some work. The support bonnet rods, I need to do some work to those, to clean those up, and then we'll continue on. I'm going to go ahead and call this video done, and because we're basically at a stopping point, we'll consider this, the week finished, and we'll post a video. Thanks for watching. Well guys, that's going to conclude this week's video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching with us and going on this journey. We've pretty much got the bonnets all cleaned up, and we got some other minor things to do before we weld. But we're going to take care of that Wednesday when I get off of work. In the meantime, we're going to do little projects like cleaning up the wheel wells, get those ready to weld in, and so forth. And that's probably going to be in the next video when we go to weld everything together and get everything ready to put back on the car. Other than that, thanks for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Like the little thumb, give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, and if you want to get notified every time that we upload a video or any of the other projects that we're working on, especially either this project or any of the other projects that we're working on, hit the notification bell, and that will alert you every time that we upload a video, and then you can come and watch. Anywho, thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great day. It's been a very productive weekend as far as I'm concerned, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.